Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detail Detective YouTube channel. And today we're trying some new products that we've never tried before. So this company called JennyChem got in touch with us and basically said, do you want to try our products? And yeah, they basically sent a massive box over, big bottles like these, for us to try. So yeah, and then to bring reviews to you guys. So yeah, you can basically see what they're all about. So the first product that we're trying is the SnowFoam. This is a biodegradable, safe on wax snow foam with a lemon fragrance. It says super thick foam, contains high quality wax, effectively and safely removes dirt and grime. So there's no instructions on the bottle, but there is in the leaflet that they gave me. So I'll quickly grab the leaflet and yeah, we'll see what this is all about. So the JennyChem guys sent over snow foam, shampoos, wheel cleaners, waxes, quick detailers, and like I say, all in these big bottles. So yeah, we're willing to try these out, and hopefully around Christmas time you'll get to try some of these out as well. But more on that in the next few videos. So yeah, let's see how we dilute this, and then let's apply it to the van, which hasn't been washed in about 2.5 weeks. We've had all this rain and floods, so yeah, it's got all the dirt from that on. So hopefully this will take it off. So yeah, let's check the dilution ratios, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so the dilution ratios is around 200 mil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck 200 mil in this SnowFoam bottle, and then yeah, top the rest up with water. Just smelling, just smelling the SnowFoam now. Yeah, it's very lemony, and I don't know whether you can see, it's very yellow. So I don't know whether the foam will be a yellow colour, but yeah, that's the scent, and yeah, it is very strong. Okay, so that is 200 mil. The colour is very psychedelic, yeah, like psychedelic yellow, which is very bright. So let's tip some water in and see how we go. Okay, so that's all filled up, and yeah, let's. What we're gonna do now? I'll put the top on it, and then yeah, we'll apply it to the car. Well, the van. Just before we apply it to the van, what I'll do is I'll put some shots on now of how the van looks, and then we can sort of compare those after we've just rinsed it off. And yeah, we can see whether it's actually cleaned or not. So yeah, I'll pop those on screen now, and then I'll flick to actually applying it to them. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me. There's some event going on in the background, so hopefully that doesn't sort of like disturb the audio too much. But yeah, so topped it up and put it on the jet wash. Now let's apply it to the van. We'll see how thick it is, and you've already seen how dirty the van is, so hopefully when we're jet washing it off, all that will come off. So just a word of warning, this van's ceramic coated, so hopefully all that dirt should fall off anyway, but yeah, that dirt has been on over 2 weeks, so it will be really stuck on that on the back. So yeah, we're looking for this to basically take it all off. So let's apply it, and then yeah, we'll see how thick it is, how well it cleans, and what the smell's like as well, because the smell before diluting it was a really strong lemon colour, lemon scent. But yeah, most of the time it gets stronger, but yeah, we'll see. Let's start applying. So that's it all applied to the van now. It has gone on really thick, and you can see all the dirt coming off here. So hopefully that snow foam's sort of like eating into all that dirt and bringing it off. So I'll just leave it a good few more minutes just to soak all that dirt off. Then we'll rinse it off and see sort of how much dirt it's sort of cleaned off. Okay, so we'll start from the back, rinsing it off, just because that's the, well, it was clearly the worst side of the van. So yeah, I'll start from the bottom, sort of like work my way up, and hopefully you guys will see sort of what impact that snow foam's had on the dirt. Okay, so it has cleaned that up quite well. It does still need a wash, but yeah, it has brought all, well, most of the dirt off. So you can see it coming sort of like the whitey colour that it actually is, instead of sort of like the dark colour that it actually was. So yeah, let's rinse off the rest of the van, and then yeah, we'll take a look around and we'll compare before and afters, see how it performed. Okay, so that's the foam all rinsed off. It did go on really thick, and the cleaning power is quite nice, to be fair. So I'm going to put some shots on after of the back and the sides, just so you can sort of see how well it's cleaned. So as you can see, it has taken about half of that dirt off the back, which I'm quite impressed with, to be fair. It does still need washing, but yeah, the snow foam has done its job, and it's lifted sort of most of that dirt off. When rinsing off, it is really easy to rinse off. Like it doesn't hang about that much when you're rinsing it off. It does sort of like come off quite quick. Another thing to mention, I've used about half of the bottle that I diluted, so there's enough to do another car there, and I did use quite a lot because I did the arches and everywhere else, but I guess if you've got a smaller car or sort of like a Fiesta size, yeah, you can easily fit 2 cars out of 1 snow foam bottle, which is quite good. I've had snow foams before where, because they're not that thick, you apply more, and yeah, you use pretty much half, like more than half the bottle. But this one, yeah, I've used about half, so yeah, there's easily enough to do another car in there, which is nice. It means that you're not using a lot of product all the time. So my thoughts on this. So it was quite a thick foam. The cleaning power, as you've already seen, was pretty good. The smell, it doesn't get stronger as you apply it, but there is a nice sort of like lemon fragrance there in the background, so it's not sort of like a chemical smell. Apart from that, yeah, it's pretty much your general normal snow foam. And I think these do, they don't just do it in the litre bottles, they do it right up to 25 litres. So yeah, if you sort of are buying in big bulk, you can buy this in sort of like, I guess for your, well, not just your everyday stuff, but for your more business stuff that you probably really want this for. So like I said, we've got a massive box of these products to try, so over the course of the next few weeks and months, we are going to be trying these, and like I said earlier in the video, you might have a chance to try some of these products as well, but yeah, come back in a few more videos and you'll find out what that's all about. That's to do with our Christmas competition, which, yeah, more information on that soon. I'll put a link below for this, so you can go and check it out and see what other products they have, because yeah, they don't just do car cleaning, they do house products as well. So yeah, it is worth going in and checking JennyChem out, just to see what products they've got on there and if there's any products that you want to try. Cheers for the guys at JennyChem for sending this product and all the other products over. Like I said, we'll be trying the other products over the next few months. And yeah, go check them out, because it's quite a nice snow foam to use, and I'll be using that. Well, I'll definitely be using the rest of this up to clean other cars, because yeah, it actually works. Cheers guys, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!